want to take this time out to talk about Dale Duransburg, his company, what they did for me and my wife and my family. Dale was very forthcoming, very patient with us as he sat down with me and my family at my house and talked to us about our finances, looked over how we were spending our money, how we were saving our money, looked at the things that we were doing with our finances and how we could make it better. He talked us through all the options, put us in touch with professionals who were very knowledgeable about the different products that were out there that could help us reach financial goals. We looked at insurance, we looked at retirement, we looked at money for my kids for college, we looked at refinancing our house. I mean, you name it, we touched all the bases, and Dale was very professional. He put together this whole plan for us, and it was great because we now have peace of mind knowing that we're on the path to financial stability. And so I just want to say we're grateful for the opportunity to meet Dale and work with Dale. His company, the professionals that work with him, they did a great job. And I highly recommend his company. Anybody that's looking to secure their future, their finances, definitely need to give Dale and his company, his people, a try. So thank you, Dale.